Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WooCommerce video series. In this video, I'm going to install one of the best subscriptions plugin for a WooCommerce website. The name of the plugin is Smart Subscriptions for a WooCommerce. Using this plugin, you can easily create a subscription product in a WooCommerce website. You can create a daily, weekly, monthly or a yearly subscription product and start accepting recurring payments in a WooCommerce website. Here you will see some features of this plugin: simplified subscription setup, flexible billing cycles, daily, weekly, monthly or yearly with custom intervals, Stripe powered reliability. So you will need to install the Stripe payment gateway to accept the recurring payments in a WooCommerce website. I'll show you how you can enable the Stripe payment gateway. You can also recover the failed payments, total control for your customer. Your customers can pause, resume or cancel subscription directly from My Account dashboard. You can connect with any app or service. It is developer friendly and translation ready. The regular price of this plugin is $99 per year for a single website, and currently there is an offer going on in which you will get this plugin at $49 per year for a single website, and there is a 30 days money back guarantee also. So I'm going to show you how you can install this plugin and how you can create a subscription product using the Smart Subscription for WooCommerce plugin. So let's see how does this work. So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website. This is a demo WooCommerce website and I have already downloaded the Smart Subscription for WooCommerce plugin. So let's go to dashboard, go to plugins and click on add new plugin and click on upload plugin and browse the plugin file. Click on install now. When you buy this plugin, you will create an account on their website and you will get an option to download the plugins from their website. Here you will see an option to download the plugin. So I have already downloaded the plugin. Let's go back and click on activate plugin. Alright, so the plugin is installed and it is activated. Now before installing the plugin, make sure that you have the WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway plugin installed. If I scroll down, you will see here I have the WooCommerce Stripe Gateway plugin installed already. If you do not have it, you can go to WooCommerce, go to settings, go to payments option, and here you'll see an option to install a plugin. If I go to more payment options, under this drop down you will see an option to install the Stripe Payment Gateway. I have it already installed, that's why it shows it here, and it is already installed and activated. If you get any error while installing the Smart Subscription product about the high performance order storage, then you can go to WooCommerce settings, go to advanced, go to features and check this option, WordPress post storage, and after that click on save settings and that error will be gone. After installing the plugin, you will see an option under WooCommerce settings, Smart Subscriptions. Let's go to Smart Subscriptions and these are the basic settings of this plugin. We are on the general tab, enable the subscription, which is already enabled. If you disable it, you won't be able to create a subscription product. So make sure that this option is enabled. By default, it is enabled. Default billing period is set to month. If you want, you can change it to day, week or year. Default billing interval is set to 1. Allow customer cancellation is also checked. Allow customer pause or resume is also checked. My Account page title will be subscription. I'll show you how does this look on the My Account page also. So I have not made any changes here. I'm going to keep it as it is. Let's go to email settings. And these are the basic email settings for this plugin. Enable email notification. Whenever there is a new subscription, it is going to send email to the customer as well as to the admin. You will see the option here, send notification emails to the customer and send notification emails to the administrators. Both the options are checked. And test email, you can test the email also. Let's go to payment settings. Under payment settings, you will see the option here, retry failed payments. Payment retry attempt will be 4. You can change the number. First retry after 12 hours, second retry after 24 hours, third retry after 48 hours, and the fourth retry after 72 hours. Automatically cancel subscription after all the retry attempts fail. So I'm not going to make any changes here again. Let's go to advanced settings. Under advanced settings, you will see enable logging, log retention period, cron processing batch size. So I don't think you need to make any changes under the basic settings of Smart Subscriptions plugin. So let's go to products and we are going to create a new product. Let's go to all products. Let's go to add a new product. Let's create a subscription product which will be for yoga classes. So let's name it as yoga classes. Whatever name of your product is, you can enter the name of the product here, and here you can add a description. This is a monthly subscription yoga class. Whatever information you want to add about this product, you can enter the description here. I'm just going to keep it simple. This is a monthly subscription yoga class. Here under product data, click on drop down and select the option simple subscription. This is going to be a virtual product, so I'm going to select this option virtual, and the subscription price for this product is, let's say, $99. Billing interval will be, let's say, 30 days. You can change it to, let's say, 1 month, or you can change it to 1 year, or you can change it to 1 week also. I'm going to make it 30 days. So after every 30 days, it is going to renew the subscription. If you want to add a free trial period, you can also add a free trial period. So I'm going to add 7 days free trial. Here again, you will see a drop down to select week, month, or year. In this case, I'm going to keep it on 7 days free trial. Let's enter the product short description. In the right hand corner, you will see brands. You will also see product tags. If you want to add product tags, you can add product tags. Here you can create a category for the subscription product. So I'm going to create a category subscription. This is just an example. If you do not want to create a category, you can keep it as it is. Let's add product image. All right, I have some sample images. I'm going to select one sample image here and click on publish. All right, so the product is published. Let's open the product and let's see how does this look. This is how it will look. Now on this demo WooCommerce website, I'm using Astra theme. This is how the single product page in Astra theme looks. If you want to customize the single product page, you can also customize it. It depends on the theme that you have installed on your WooCommerce website. Here you have the featured image. This is the title, the category, and here you will see the price, $99 every 30 days with a 7 days free trial. If you do not add a free trial here, let's say I do not want free trial, let's update it. Let's go back, refresh it, and you will see $99 for every 30 days. Let's go back, let's make it 7 days free trial, update it. Let's go back, refresh it, and now again we have the 7 days free trial. All right, let's add the product to the cart and let's make a purchase here. Let's go to view cart, and here you will see the product yoga classes, $99 every 30 days. Click on checkout, and I have already entered some dummy information here so that I can make a purchase. Total amount is $99. On this demo WooCommerce website, I have the Stripe payment gateway installed. It is in test mode, so I can enter some dummy information here, and I'm going to make a purchase. All right, so you will see that the order has been placed. Now if I go to my accounts, and under my account you will see subscription option, and under subscription I can see my subscription. This is how the user or the customer will be able to see their subscription under my account page. So if I go to view, it will show me the details of this product. Yoga classes, 99 days every 30 days, 7 days remaining. This is the trial period, 7 days free trial. Now as a user, if I want to pause the subscription, I can click on pause and pause the subscription. If I want to cancel it, I can cancel it from here. This is the user's my account page. Now let's go back to the dashboard. Let's go to WooCommerce, and under WooCommerce go to subscription, and this is how the administrator will see all the subscription. This is the subscription that we just received, and as an admin, if I want to pause the subscription, I can pause it from here, and if I want to cancel the user's subscription as an administrator, I can cancel it from here. If I go to edit, it will show all the details. Here I have the option to pause, cancel, or process the manual renewal. Let's go back. Now here you will see start date is 11th of March and the next payment date is 17th of April, which is 37 days. It includes the 7 days free trial also. So after 37 days, it is going to renew the subscription automatically. So if you're looking for a subscription product to accept the recurring payments in a WooCommerce website, you can try using the Smart Subscription for WooCommerce plugin. The regular price of the plugin is $99 per year for a single website, and there is an offer going on in which you will get this plugin at $49 per year for a single website. If you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.